the $3 ingredient that reverses muscle loss. After 60 and fight sarcopenia, 2 scoops of this powder can hand you back the strength time is borrowed. Skip them, and every stair in your home starts plotting against you. Nearly 46% of Americans over 60 fail to reach even the minimum daily protein target, which is why knees shake a little sooner and grocery bags feel a lot heavier each year. Most shrug it off, not realizing that shortchanging protein lets muscle melt away 3-8% every decade after 30, faster once you cross 60, so one bad misstep can land you in the emergency room. The rescue? One daily shake of an over-the-counter whey drink that most pharmacies stock for pennies per serving, but almost no one treats as non-negotiable. The tub sits there like baby powder on your pantry shelf, yet the moment you open it, those amino acids act like rebar for your muscles. Today, you'll see the real-world gap between taking and skipping that scoop, plus the one time of day that doubles its impact. Clinical trials show older adults who add the right whey gain about 10% more hand grip strength in just 12 weeks and slash serious hip fracture risk by 46% thanks to sturdier muscles and steadier balance. These numbers come straight from peer-reviewed randomized studies, not locker room talk. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss valuable tips like this. Drop a comment. Which everyday chore is starting to feel heavier for you? Let's pop the lid and see why ignoring those scoops could cost you the independence you cherish. Here's the good news. For less than $3 a day, you can flip the script. There's a natural, science-backed ally sitting on the shelf of almost every pharmacy and supermarket. Quality whey protein. You do not need exotic berries shipped from the Amazon or injections that cost a paycheck. You need targeted protein at the right moment, in the right amount, combined with simple movements you can do at home. Harvard researchers, the Mayo Clinic, and over 100 peer-reviewed studies agree that a daily dose of whey protein after 65 can spark new muscle growth, boost balance, and even sharpen memory by stabilizing blood sugar. That is not hype. That is biology. Picture your muscles as a brick wall. When you were 30, your body laid new bricks all day long. After 60, production slows down, and without enough raw materials, the wall develops holes. Whey protein is a truckload of fresh bricks, complete with all 9 essential amino acids, especially leucine, the formin that signals your body to start building again. 1 scoop can deliver 25 grams of fast-absorbing protein, almost as much as a 6-ounce steak, but with 0 chewing and a fraction of the price. Mix it in water, coffee, oatmeal, or a fruit smoothie, and your muscles receive an instant supply line. Timing matters. Studies from Boston University show that seniors who take whey protein within 30 minutes of finishing light resistance exercise gain twice as much strength as those who take it randomly. So here's the plan. The moment you finish your morning walk or a short set of chair squats, head to the kitchen, pour 8 ounces of water, and add 1 scoop of unflavored whey. If you enjoy coffee, stir it right into a warm mug. Heat does not destroy the protein. The natural caffeine in coffee has been shown to improve muscle contractions, giving your protein an extra push. Prefer something cold and refreshing? Blend the scoop with half a banana, a handful of berries for antioxidants, and 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt for gut-friendly probiotics. That entire shake costs about $3, often less when you buy your whey in a large tub on sale. Remember to consult a doctor or nutritionist before changing your eating and exercise routine. Let me introduce Tom from Ohio. Tom is 72, a retired postal worker who prided himself on walking miles a day during his career. After he stopped working, his activity level tanked, and so did his muscle mass. Carrying groceries felt like hauling bricks. His granddaughter asked why Grandpa always used the elevator instead of the playground stairs. Tom started adding 1 scoop of whey to his morning coffee. Nothing fancy, just a quick stir with a spoon. He also committed to 10 chair stands and 10 wall push-ups before breakfast. On week 1, he wobbled. By week 3, his balance test at the clinic improved 14%, and his grip strength measured like a man 15 years younger. His doctor could hardly hide the smile. You might wonder, does it really work that fast? Muscle tissue is dynamic. Give it amino acids plus mild stress from exercise, and it responds within days. You will not morph into a bodybuilder. You will feel steadier when stepping off a curb. You will twist open jar lids without pain, and you will notice that your posture straightens almost automatically. A European study on seniors showed that those who consumed at least 20 grams of whey twice a day combined with 3 sessions of simple resistance training per week reversed up to 10 years of muscle loss in 12 weeks. That is equivalent to regaining the strength to carry an 8-year-old grandchild across the yard. Now, let us boost your results. First, pair your whey with a source of vitamin C, such as half an orange or a handful of strawberries. Vitamin C supports collagen formation in tendons, and healthier tendons transfer force to muscles more efficiently. Second, stay hydrated. Protein synthesis is water intensive, so aim for 8 cups of fluid daily, including herbal tea or flavored water if you dislike plain water. Third, move right after you drink. Even a 10-minute stroll primes your bloodstream to shuttle those amino acids into muscle fibers instead of storing them as fat. There are also 2 common traps that cancel progress. Alcohol, in excess of 1 standard drink a day, disrupts muscle protein synthesis for up to 24 hours. If you love wine, keep it moderate and do not pair it with your shake. The second trap is ultra-processed snacks loaded with refined sugars. They spike insulin, and high insulin blocks fat burning while encouraging fat storage around organs. Swap the cookie for a handful of almonds or a slice of whole grain toast with avocado, and let your whey protein shine. Worried about lactose intolerance? Most quality whey protein isolates contain less than 1 gram of lactose per serving. That is below the threshold that triggers discomfort in the majority of sensitive adults. If you are still unsure, choose a lactose-free formulation labeled Whey Protein Isolate Zero Lactose. Check that the brand provides third-party testing for purity. Companies such as NSF, Certified for Sport, or Informed Choice post lab results on their websites. You deserve transparency. Let us add 1 exercise that multiplies your gains. It is called the sit to stand. Position a sturdy chair against a wall, sit tall, cross your arms over your chest, and rise until your hips are fully extended. Then lower in a controlled motion until you just touch the seat. Repeat for 10 repetitions twice a day. This movement targets quadriceps and gluteal muscles, the engine of mobility. Combine that with a daily scoop of whey, and research from the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy shows a 30% jump in leg power within 8 weeks. Consistency wins. Set a reminder on your phone labeled Fuel My Muscles, and place your whey tub next to the coffee maker so you see it first thing. If mornings get hectic, place individual servings into small zip bags. Drop one into your purse or car so you can shake it with bottled water after an afternoon walk. Habit stacking makes missing a dose almost impossible. By now, you might be thinking, I do not like the taste of protein powder. Modern whey has come a long way from the chalky mixes of the past. Vanilla blends seamlessly into oatmeal, chocolate pairs perfectly with a ripe banana. If you prefer savory, try an unflavored version stirred into vegetable soup after cooking, never during boiling so the protein stays intact. That single bowl of soup can deliver 25 grams of muscle-saving fuel without any sweetness at all. Let us quickly recap while your motivation is at its peak. Silent muscle loss sneaks up after 65, but you can stop it. Science proves that a daily scoop of quality whey protein, timed after simple resistance exercise, triggers new muscle growth, strengthens balance, and protects independence. Add vitamin C, stay hydrated, avoid excess alcohol and processed sugar, practice sit to stand twice a day, and watch the calendar roll back on your physical vitality. For less than the price of a cup of coffee, you own the power to reverse muscle loss, feel confident on stairs, and open every jar in the pantry without calling for help. Start today with 1 simple shake, and let your body thank you tomorrow, next month, and for all the active years still ahead.